Hey there, space explorers. I'm Luna, your junior astronaut, and today we're blasting off on a super fun adventure through the cosmos. Rocket whoosh. Imagine your backyard turning into a launch pad, rockets sparkling like fireworks, and a whole universe waiting to be discovered. In the next 12 minutes, we'll hop from planet to planet, meet twinkling stars, and even peek at a mysterious black hole. Ready to zoom past Earth and feel the excitement of a real space mission? Buckle your seatbelts, because our first stop is the amazing blue marble we call home. Stay tuned, Earth's secrets are about to unfold. First, let's explore our own home planet, Earth. Did you know Earth is the only planet we know that has liquid water everywhere, like a giant blue marble floating in space? Splash sound, it's covered by 71% water, and the rest is land where we live, play, and dream. Earth spins like a top, giving us day and night. One spin takes 24 hours. And guess what? Our planet has a protective blanket called the atmosphere that keeps us safe from meteors and gives us fresh air to breathe. Imagine a giant hug wrapping around the whole world, ready to hop to our next neighbor, the moon. It's waiting just a short hop away. Zooming up, we land on the moon, Earth's trusty sidekick. The moon is about 384,000 kilometers away, which is like traveling from New York to Los Angeles, and then some. Even though it's smaller than Earth, its gravity is only 1/6, so you could jump 6 times higher. Imagine bouncing like a super spring. The moon has no air, so no wind to erase footprints. Astronauts left their marks that are still there today. And here's a cool fact. The moon glows because it reflects sunlight, just like a giant night light in the sky. Ready for a red adventure? Our next stop is the dusty, mysterious planet Mars. Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Its surface looks like a giant rusted playground, covered in iron dust that gives it a reddish glow. Did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, so tall you could stack a whole city of skyscrapers. Mars also has a canyon called Valles Marineris that's wider than the Grand Canyon and stretches for 4,000 kilometers. And guess what? Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, that look like potato-shaped space rocks. Imagine having a backyard with 2 little moons. Next, we'll blast off to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter. Hold onto your helmets. Whoa, look at Jupiter, the king of planets. It's so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Imagine stacking tiny Earth marbles into a giant ball. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, like a huge floating balloon. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. It's like a never-ending hurricane. Jupiter also has 79 moons, and some, like Europa, might hide oceans beneath icy crusts, maybe even alien life. Ready for a planet with dazzling rings? Next up is Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Here comes Saturn, the planet that loves to sparkle. Its famous rings are made of billions of tiny ice and rock pieces, like a giant glittery hula hoop around the planet. If you could stand on Saturn, but you can't, it's a gas giant, the rings would stretch for thousands of kilometers, farther than any road on Earth. Saturn also has a moon called Titan, which is bigger than Mercury and has thick orange clouds, almost like a hazy orange balloon. And did you know a day on Saturn lasts only about 10.7 Earth hours? That means the sun rises and sets super fast. Up next, we'll venture to the icy giants Uranus and Neptune. Get ready for chilly surprises. Now we drift into the icy realm of Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique because it spins on its side. Imagine rolling a ball on a table instead of spinning it upright. This makes its seasons super long. Each pole gets 42 years of sunlight. Neptune, the farthest planet, is a deep blue world with the fastest winds in the solar system, whipping at over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. Both planets are made of icy gases, and each has a collection of moons that look like tiny frosted pearls. Can you feel the chill? Our next stop is the brightest star in our sky, our very own sun. Stay tuned. Here shines the sun, the ultimate superhero of our solar system. It's a gigantic ball of hot plasma, so hot that its surface sizzles at 5,500 degrees C, hot enough to melt any metal you can think of. The sun is so massive it holds 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system, and its gravity keeps all the planets dancing around it. Every second, the sun fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing a massive amount of energy, enough to power 1 trillion light bulbs. Without the sun, Earth would be a frozen desert, ready to look beyond our sun. Next, we'll explore twinkling stars and the stories they tell. Look up. The night sky is a glittering canvas of stars, each a giant burning ball like our sun. Some stars form patterns called constellations. Imagine connect the dots in the sky. The Big Dipper points to the North Star, which stays almost perfectly still, helping travelers find north. Stars come in different colors. Blue stars are super hot, while red stars are cooler and older. And did you know that the light we see from some stars started traveling millions of years ago? When we look at them, we're actually seeing the past. Curious about where all these stars live. Our next adventure takes us far beyond, to whole galaxies. Welcome to a galaxy, a massive city of stars. Our home lives in the Milky Way, a beautiful spiral galaxy with arms that swirl like a cosmic whirlpool. It contains over 100 billion stars, plus countless planets, dust, and gas. Imagine a city so huge that it would take 100,000 years to walk from one end to the other. Galaxies come in many shapes, spiral, elliptical, and irregular, each with its own personality. Some galaxies even collide, creating spectacular fireworks of new stars. And here's a mind-blowing fact. The light from the farthest galaxies we can see started its journey when dinosaurs still roamed Earth. Ready for the ultimate wow moment? Up next, a mysterious black hole. Hold on to your helmets. Here comes the ultimate wow. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. Imagine a super strong vacuum cleaner that pulls everything in, even time itself. The biggest black holes can be millions of times heavier than our sun. They form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, like a giant cosmic implosion. Don't worry, the nearest black hole is far, far away, so we're safe. Scientists study them by watching how nearby stars dance around an invisible point. Isn't that amazing? Our final shot will bring us back home, where we reflect on our adventure and look to the future. What a journey! From our blue home to distant galaxies and mysterious black holes, we've explored the universe together. Remember, every night when you look up, you're seeing the same stars that guided ancient explorers and future astronauts. The cosmos is full of wonders waiting for curious minds like yours. Keep asking questions, keep dreaming, and maybe one day you'll discover a new space fact for the whole world. If you loved our adventure, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Space Explorers for more stellar stories. Until our next launch, keep your eyes on the sky and your heart full of wonder. Bye-bye, space friends.